This is NAIA Terminal 1, no? Yung old airport natin. So this is under San Miguel na rin na management. Our flight is leaving at around 11 PM, no? Bound for Jeddah. So parang transit lang yung Jeddah sa amin. We'll be going to Dubai, no? Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. So ito yung pila ng, these are the facilities na ng NAIA Terminal 1. You pay travel tax there, na area. Ano kasama namin na si RJ. Entrance is there na area. Ito yung mga nauna natin na international airport. Small, so kanina masyadong very congested yung mga vehicle na papasok. So these are mga departures, no? You have Kuwait, Port Moresby is New Zealand, Haneda, Tokyo, Jeddah. Yan yung sa amin, Jeddah na departure via Saudi. Okay. We have Denpasar, New York. Mostly Philippine Airlines dito pala na flight, no? Half are Philippine Airlines na flight. Ito yung pila ng mga OFW na, mga kababayan natin. Maganda siya tignan pala, no? Sa video. Okay. Dito yung immigration, so we have to hurdle muna yung pila, pagkatapos immigration. Hopefully hindi masyado mahaba yung pila. So this is another adventure in the Middle East, no? First of the series of yung adventure namin sa Middle East. Dubai, Jordan, then Egypt. Watch out for our mga adventures.